Hello friends, welcome to TechnoGeek SFDC. So in today's scenario, we will be coming up with a new use case that is we will be creating a toast message and also a navigation link in the toast message itself to navigate to any particular record or any other link wherever we want the user to navigate to. So let's take a scenario. In our previous videos, what we have done is we have created a form where the account was getting created. Okay. Now, in this scenario, we will extend the same functionality along with whenever the account will get created, will show a toast message, and then there will be a link in the toast message on click of which you will automatically be redirected to the account record, okay, or the newly created account record. So with this scenario, we will see how we will be proceeding ahead with these types of scenarios and what all the different libraries we are going to use in our requirement. Okay, so for that, let's come to our studio editor, and this component we have created as part of our previous video. So if you haven't checked out that video, it's there in the I link. You can go and check that video as well. Okay, so to save your time, basically, I have already uh, done the coding around it, and I can walk you through what all different things we will be using in this. So there are two important libraries which we will first import in our component. That is your show toast event. So this is again as part of Lightning. So this library we will import, and out of this library show toast event, this method we will import specifically from the platform toast event library. Okay, and also there is another library called navigation. From there we will be using the navigation mixing. So navigation uh, library which has been provided in LWC is more of, you can compare in terms of page references what we have in our Apex. Okay, so navigation mixing is basically used to navigate from LWC to any other link or any other record from the LWC. So for that, navigation mixing libraries are being used. Okay, now we have imported these two. Now where we use the extends, in that we, the change what we have to make is we have to also extend to navigation mixing lightning element. So what this will do, this will take out the, or this will basically import the methods available in navigation mixing. It's a kind of extension of the existing class. Okay, so it will take the methods, and then going forward we will be using those methods to basically navigate from our LWC to any other link whatever we will provide. Okay, so now in our HTML, basically what we have done earlier, we had created a button called create account. Okay, so we had two text boxes where you were giving the account name and employee count, and we had a button called create account, and on click of that button we were calling a JavaScript method that is handle account creation. Now let's see that JavaScript method what it is doing. Okay, so here basically what we had done is, this is our handle account creation method where we were using the lightning data service, and we were using the create record method of lightning data service, passing all the fields and its value, so it was creating it. Okay, now as part of the creation, okay, as part of the creation what it was doing is we have then and catch method. So then is basically whenever your record gets saved successfully, else it will go into catch. If any exception comes, it will go into catch. Okay. Now, so as you can see, what I am doing here is I have created one more method called open record data. This I am calling it from my then method. So basically, when the account will get created successfully, then I will call this method from then. That is open record data. Okay. Now, so till this step, now we will get the account ID. Okay, whatever the account has been created from the UI, the ID got generated because it got saved successfully. So that's where the ID got generated, and that ID we are storing in, let's say, one variable, that is this dot account ID. If you want, you can pass that ID as parameter as well here. I have just made it as a separate variable, but you can pass it as a parameter into open record data method as well. Okay. Now, first thing what we are doing here is we are basically generating a URL. So generate URL is again a method in our navigation library provided by Salesforce. Okay. So what this generate URL do, it takes certain parameters. Okay. Parameters like what type of URL you want to generate and what all the attributes around it. Okay. So type, as you can see, we have given a standard record page, and attribute we are giving record ID as this dot account ID. The account ID, basically the account which got created just now, the ID of that particular account. And we are providing an action like what we want to do. So we are just giving that I want to view that particular record. Okay, now this whole part, what it will do is considering the attributes we are passing, it will automatically create a URL in backend, like what how Apex page reference creates a URL, right? Similarly, it will create a Salesforce URL, which is basically the URL of the account record which got created. Okay, so by using that URL again, we can navigate to that particular record. So generate URL method is basically to create a URL which is compatible with our Salesforce environment. Okay. Now, next is again, you can see we have used a then, and in then we are passing the URL. So URL, as you can see, if this method execute successfully without any error or anything, then your this method will get called. And what parameter we are passing? We are passing the URL which got generated as part of this particular method. Okay, so we are passing the URL now. So till here we have created a URL successfully for the navigation by using the navigation library. Okay, we have created the URL and we have stored it on our client side. Okay, but now, how to show that URL and how to make it clickable? For that, we are going to use our toast message. Okay. So now, as I was telling, we will also be using the toast message, or toast message is nothing but the green color, red color, yellow color that messages you see on the Lightning components, right? Or Lightning Web component pages. They are known as toast message. I'll show you in the demo as well. Okay. So what we are doing is, so toast message is basically, it's a kind of event. Okay, these are pre-existing methods, so they act as an event where we create an instance of show toast event. Okay, passing certain parameters into it like title, what title that event will be. Okay, that is success. Similarly, there is something called variant. Variant means in which color you want to show. So variant is basically like success, error, or warning. So if you are selecting success, then it will show in green. If you are selecting error, it will show in red. Similarly, if you are selecting warning, it will show you in yellow. So these types of variants are available in the show toast. Okay. Now after that, the main part is message. Okay. So what message we are going to show in our toast message. Okay. Now, one thing you can notice here is in message what we are doing is we are giving a message like open the, after that we are giving curly braces 0. Okay, so similarly we are giving curly braces 1. So what these braces are, or what these curly braces are, okay, so these curly braces followed by the numbers are a placeholder in the message which will get filled automatically by message data what you are passing. Okay, so they basically run based on the index number of the message data array. So as you can see here, open the uh, curly braces 0. Okay. So on a runtime, what it will do, it will check that in message data, what value I have at 0th index. So that is account. Okay. So this 0 will get replaced with account. Okay. Similarly, if you can see here, record by click the link. Okay, after followed by it is having curly braces 1. Okay, so here at one index what we have, so at one index we have defined this parameter where we are passing the URL which got generated as part of our navigation mixing part. We are passing the URL and what is the label. Okay, so basically whenever we create a hyperlink, it has a label, and when you click on it, it navigates to a link, right? That's the basic functionality of a link. So that's where label we are defining, that is here, and that label is tagged to which URL we are defining here. Okay, so on a runtime, this particular one, okay, what you are seeing here will get replaced by the data which is available on the one index in message data variable. Okay, so this again, it's a variable. As you can see, it's an array. Okay, it's a basically collection of variables. So on 0, it will take the value which is available at 0th index, and on 1, it will take the value which is available on the index number 1. Okay, and then normally how we dispatch event, it will dispatch event, basically the toast message will come up. Now let's see. So this is how in backend theoretically this is going to work. Okay, where we are using two libraries, show toast mixing, navigation mixing, and then we are generating a URL here, pass with the record ID as whatever is generated. Okay, and then we are creating a toast message, okay, with some dynamic values in it, and passing the data from message data in dynamic, in those dynamic attributes like 0 1, like that. Okay, now let's see in actual how it's going to work, or how it's going to look like. So I'll just go to data search, and let's say I'll give the name here as LWC scenario 2, employee count, I'll give it, let's say, 3 4 5 7 8. Okay, now if I click on create account, as you can see here, I got a hyperlink. Okay, and open the account record, and then that hyperlink was there. Okay, so let me just quickly change it again, and I'll click and show you how it is going to work. So as I'll click here, okay, you can see that it navigated me to a page where, as I was telling you, right, we passes the record ID and the view which we passed. Okay, you can see on the details, this is what the method we created, this is what, sorry, this is what the name we have given, and this is what the employee we have given. And if you check the variable, okay, and we'll compare with our code, so action name, what we had given, action name we had given as view. So you can see the URL which got generated is compatible with your lightning environment, with record ID which we passed, okay, and the action what we have defined, that is view. Okay, so this is the beauty of your, this is basically the beauty of using this show toast message along with the navigation URL, so that user doesn't have to basically again run back to that particular tab and open the new records. They don't have to do that. Instead, on the same page, they can get a hyperlink in the toast message, and just they can click and navigate to that particular record. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. That's all in today's video. I hope you understood how we can use show toast event as well as the navigation in our LWC. Okay, and with this we will wrap up today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any scenario on which you want me to cover the video, you can just put it in the comments. I will definitely try to come up with a video on that particular scenario. So